Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Instagram ads for your brand, full guide step by step clearly. To configure Instagram ads for your brand, start by ensuring you have a business account. If you don't have one, convert your personal account by going to your account settings. Once you have a business account, access Facebook Ads Manager, as Instagram ads are managed through this platform. Log into your Facebook account and navigate to the Ads Manager. Click on the green Create button to start a new ad campaign. Choose your marketing objective based on what you want to achieve, such as brand awareness, traffic, or conversions. Set up your campaign by naming it and selecting your objective. Next, define your target audience to ensure your ads reach the right people. You can customize demographics, interests, and behaviors to fine-tune your audience. After setting up your audience, move on to the ad placement section. Select manual placement to specifically include Instagram feed, stories, or explore, depending on your strategy. Now, determine your budget and schedule for the ad campaign. Decide whether you want a daily budget or a lifetime budget and specify the duration of the campaign. Proceed by choosing the format for your ad, such as a single image, carousel, or video. Upload high-quality visuals that align with your brand and resonate with your target audience. Write concise and engaging ad copy that communicates your message effectively. Include a compelling call to action to encourage your audience to take the desired action. Review your ad settings to ensure everything is correctly configured. Once satisfied, click the Confirm button to submit your ad for review. Monitor your ad's performance through Facebook Ads Manager after it goes live. Make necessary adjustments based on the performance metrics to optimize your campaign. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.